Today I'm going to show you exactly how to deliver your photos to clients. I'm going to literally make a folder with you and upload it and show you exactly how I deliver it. I'm Caitlin Workman and welcome to my YouTube channel where I encourage and empower other photographers. Before we get started, make sure that you grab my preset. It's in the link below and it's a free gift to you. So as you guys are looking through this gallery, if you think, oh, I love how she edits her photos, then make sure that you grab that. If you want to see how I use it, there's also a video showing you exactly how I edit with that. But just wanted to make sure that you guys had that before we get started. Now let's get started delivering your photos to your clients. I think I've shared this with you guys before. When I first did sessions, I did them, I think for like my brother, my sister-in-law, and then for one of my best friends. Those were like my very first sessions. And I remember I did share them on the blog, but I didn't know how to get them their photos. And so I just like sent them to them over Facebook Messenger, which is terrible. But you guys might be doing that, or you might be airdropping or using a like Google Drive or something like that and not have an easy way to get your photos to them. And that's totally fine. But that's why things like Cloudspot were created, and that's why they exist, and it's wonderful. So let me show you guys exactly how I start. Just go to cloudspot.io, log in. There is a link below, so you guys don't even have to go type it in. You can just click on that link. Then it will show me my dashboard and all of my sessions, and I'm just going to show you how I would create a new gallery. So we're going to go up to the top to new collection, and we'll just do YouTube, if I could type. And you can put your date there. And then you can put a category here with a tag. So like I would usually do wedding or weddings 2023 or whatever. I'm not super organized with it. So I typically just do wedding or engagement session or something like that so that I can find it easily. And then we're gonna go to browse files, or you could just drag and drop. And here there is already a gallery pulled up. So we'll use this one. And let's go down here and grab a couple. So I would usually grab like the full gallery, but we'll just grab a couple for you guys to see. And this session that I am uploading here is the session that I edited a few for you guys. So make sure that you guys go see that video if you want to do that. I don't know how many times I can say you guys, but okay, so you guys, you can see they've already uploaded just while I was rambling. So typically if it's like a huge wedding, I would just start uploading and then I would go, get some coffee or go eat lunch or whatever and come back and it's done. Then you can also make different folders. So some people categorize by like the start of the day and like details, reception, all that stuff. I don't do that anymore because I kind of like just the scroll through of the day in order. It's totally a preference, but I do usually add a favorites folder or just a sneak peeks folder. And you can do that here, do that first, and browse files, and let's just do one. Do this one. Great, okay. Then I will go to my photos and I'm gonna pick a cover photo. Actually, maybe I'll do my favorites. Let's do this one. You can see how easy it is to just drag it and drop it. And then let's go ahead and publish it as a gallery. And you can hide folders. So like if I delivered their sneak peeks and their full gallery was not quite ready yet, I could hide it until it was ready. Then you can move it over here. There is a portfolio option on here, which is really cool. So if this was a wedding you were really proud of and you wanted to send it to clients, you could click display in portfolio and it would show in your portfolio. And then we're gonna do cover photo. And this is cool. You can do different options based on your branding. I always do this one. I just think it looks really clean and pretty, and you can see my logo and all of that stuff that's already there. And layout, I don't change any of that. Download, I would click enable downloads, and I'm letting them download all of those. And downloadable sizes, you can choose what you want, but I do full resolution and social media. So if they want to download the smaller files for posting online, they can totally do that. And you can even include a download pin if you want. If you're doing something like boudoir and you need a little bit more security, you can lock it down with a download pin. I don't do that just because I like them to be able to share with all of their friends and family. And then you can go to sales, and I have enable store so they can order prints directly through Cloudspot. It's so easy and so nice. They're incredible quality, and my clients can just go and order them, and they're shipped like that day. Usually, like, they're so fast, so much faster than I would be able to deliver them. And I always include a sale. So I would include the sales banner, and I already have sales set up, which I can do another video showing you guys the back end of that. If you want, just let me know. But I would put like save 30% using code, and I would give them a code that I have set up, and that would display on the top of their gallery. And then we would just click publish. And then this is really cool. You can click email, and you can email directly in Cloudspot. You don't even have to go anywhere else. So I'll just put in my email and hit next, online gallery. And then you can save templates in here, email templates. So I don't usually do this for weddings. I usually send them a more personal email, but for family sessions, especially like mini sessions, I'll do this. And we'll just go to family photos are ready. And that was a template that I made. It's already there, which is so nice. And you can see I shared, like, I also included this discount for you guys. And email sent, and then that's it. Super easy, and this is what it looks like for them. We'll click preview, and they'll get the email and the link. They can click it on it, and it goes right here. And they can click open. And this just has one because I put the favorites first, and then they can scroll and they can see all the photos, and they can click on them. And from there, they can favorite them, which is really fun. I love to go on and see which ones they favorited, just see which are their favorites. And they can click download, and it gives them both the different options. Full resolution, you can see it just downloads right there, super fast. They can also do that on their phone. It's super mobile friendly. And then they can click buy, and it will take them to the store and show them different options, what those look like. They can even see what that would look like in their own home, which is really cool. And I have another video that shows exactly what that looks like if you want to view in your space. It's really cool. There you go. That's how you get started with Cloudspot. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any specific questions or things that you want to see. But I have been 100% happy since switching to Cloudspot, and my clients are always happy. It's really professional and easy for them. Please make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.